Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and today we're looking at a 2022 Dutchmen Astoria 2943BHF. This RV is offered by Bourbon RV in Bourbon, Missouri. Their contact information is listed below, website, telephone number. The price on this unit is $56,995 with a steep discount. As we take a look at the campsite, get a great look at this nice deep basement with plenty of storage. Got a couple surprises for you. One's on the outside and a bunch are on the inside. So I think you're going to enjoy this RV. It sleeps 8, has 2 slides, bunkhouse, outdoor kitchen. Well, I gave away one of the outside surprises, and a 50-inch LED flat screen TV. Here we see the ladder to the rooftop, and we also see the trailer hitch for the back end, as well as rear storage. Now that's odd looking storage, and when I first looked at it, I thought that's kind of odd, but when you get in the inside, it all comes clear. That's one of the surprises we have for you. There's the ladder to the roof, as well as a pre-wired for backup camera. So let me give you some of the vitals on this. The length is 33 feet 10 inches. Exterior height is 12.6. Hitch weight 1547. Dry weight 8566. And here's one of the surprises that I already gave away, but it's the outdoor kitchen. Here we have the cooktop, and it's a nice cooktop, and it's also nice to keep clean, so you can fold it up and stow it away, lock it away. We also have a small refrigerator out here, and the cargo weight, dry weight was 8566. Cargo weight is 3434. And let me give you the tank information. So fresh gray and black are 50, 67, and 39. 2 LP 30-pound bottles up front. As we back away, you can see that awning. The awning is a 21-foot power awning with LED lights. Here we see the tandem axles. Great looking wheel combination. What do you think of the wheels on this unit? Look like something, to me, they look very impressive. Something you'd see on an automobile maybe. As we step up inside of the coach, just a great floor plan in my opinion, and has the bunkhouse. We have a 50-inch televator right there, so that's the television. That's a 50-inch flat screen. It's tucked down in the televator. It goes down behind the fireplace and that cubby, as well as the entertainment area. Nice looking kitchen. We'll get into all of this here in a little bit. As we take a look at the bunkhouse, you can see the cabinet space is more than ample, very plush bunk area, as well as plenty of cabinet space. Love the fact that you have windows on both bunks. Let in the light. I really like that bunkhouse area. To me, that's really nice. It's got a slidable door that you can close off if you're not using it, or if you are using it. Here is the kitchen area. You have the foldable countertop to fold out of the way, or if you need it, if you're entertaining and you're need a place to put your cocktails or your hors d'oeuvres. We have a double door refrigerator, and that's an 8-foot refrigerator. So it's a great size for weekend use. And then you also have the dining area with storage below the benches and deep, fully extendable drawers. As I back up and take a look, that's a big drawer. So you got plenty of storage there, and the tabletop drops down to accommodate additional sleeping. And as I mentioned, this sleeps 8. So this RV really will accommodate a couple of families, and you know, for a long weekend or an enjoyable 3-day weekend, this is a great RV to have. Additional cabinets over the couch area. So the furnace is a 35,000 BTU. We also have an AC, which is a 15,000 BTU. Water heater is gas electric, and it's a 6-gallon water heater. And we take a look at the drawers underneath the cabinet, the sink, and then we have additional storage here in these. And then we have a 3-burner cooktop, and we have a farmer sink, so a deep stainless steel sink. You can see by the depth of my hand, it's a very deep sink. You can see the power outlet in the corner, one of the pop-up units, which is very nice. You can use it, and then when you're not using it, just push it and it drops back down. Additional cabinet space above. You have a microwave oven, a nice pantry or cabinet space for pizza pans or cookie sheets above. Nice size microwave. The hood for LED lighting and exhaust fan, 3-burner cooktop, as well as a nice size oven. I try to ask this on a lot of my videos, but what do you prefer, a 3-burner cooktop and a microwave, or the microwave, cooktop, and oven? Leave your comments below. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up if this video is helpful, or you enjoy it, or it's informative. Also, hit the subscribe button on your way out as we look at the control panel for the awning, as well as your LED lights. As we step up to the next floor and we have a look at the bathroom, we have a porcelain foot-operated toilet. Plenty of cabinet space here, nice and deep cabinet space. You can see how deep that is. Plenty of room for your towels and any toiletries that you have, as well as a walk-in shower with a hand wand, as well as a sit-down area and skylight. Nice cabinet here with the sink, additional storage under the sink, as well as a medicine cabinet with a little cubby right below the mirror, as well as your shelving units in the medicine cabinet. As we open the door and enter the master bedroom, or the bedroom, check out the window there. I'll show that in more detail, but it's really, when you see it in person, to me, it's very impressive. And the amount of storage space in this bedroom is off the hook. So you have below the bed, so that's the pass-through exterior storage, but you can access it here as well, which I can see coming in handy if it was raining outside, you didn't want to get out in the rain, you could access it through here. And then we have the his and hers closets on both sides of the bed, the blacked out privacy shades or nightshade to make it like night in the daytime. You can see that ominous clouds out there. It's going to rain, and nothing like sleeping on a rainy day when you can hear the rain spattering outside, but it's nice and dark inside. Additional cabinet space here, as well as cabinet space above the bed. And then here's that window that I was talking about. So if you had a bunch of pillows, you could chuck them up there. And then a lot of people like pillows on their bed when they're decorating. And then on both sides of the bed, you have a nice shelving area for your CPAP or plugging in your phones. We have deep drawers underneath these cabinets. So plenty of cabinet space here to stow items, as well as here you have a cabinet with curtain rod, or a clothing rod, to hang up your clothing. So more than enough space to stow all of your belongings. And then additional storage on the left side of the bed as well. What do you think of this floor plan? What do you think of the brightness on the inside, as far as you know, the natural light coming in, and it keeps the coach very bright. I have lights on my camera, but you can see in the room there, it's still very bright with this color. So leave a comment below, give us a thumbs up if you like the video, help us grow this channel, and go ahead and hit subscribe. We're trying to grow the channel, try and bring you more of this content, and we appreciate your time and we appreciate you watching. And I do read all the comments, and I do follow your recommendations, make adjustments. I open all the drawers so you can see that. I've had several comments about that.